So YouTube, man, we got everything installed. Got the red goods in there.
Roll up a wood, I'm finna get loaded. My niggas turn 17, have emotion. Drinking no mud and I call it my potion. Don't tell them shit, they gon' think that I'm toting. Clutching it fire and I'm banging the stick. These niggas tripping, they acting like bitches. Don't come around, we got gloss in these stitches. We pushing shit back and we bust at your fitted. Call a little case so he gon' make it phase go. I'm in the trap, I'm walking the fago. Pop me a purtin', I feel like I'm booty. This little bitch, she got ass in the movement. I told her come here, let go make us a movie. Stacking this bread and I gotta go get it. I'm really turned up just hard in my city. Ain't none of these niggas out here fucking with me. These niggas crying, so go suck a titty. I'm up in traffic, I'm pushing the scat. Hitting the wood and that bitch in me back. I'm in the trap making bricks with a...
So what's going on, YouTube, man? We're gonna be doing 2 different videos in one day. But today what we doing is installing my new radio, and we also doing my red custom seats. Buy custom interior, man. Make sure y'all tap in with them. Appreciate them on this sponsor. So with that being said, man, let's go ahead and get to it. Oh yeah, man, we also got the starlights fit. But beside that point, as y'all can see, man, my stock radio actually has gone out. So what we finna do is fix my stock radio. Well, we finna just replace it. But right now, while my radio hasn't arrived yet, nor have my seats arrived, what we finna do is go ahead and just take out the radio, and we finna also just go ahead and take out the seats. So let's go ahead and knock that out right there. In one. So while we wait for the radio to come in, let's go ahead and take out these seats so we can install my red seats. Easy. Taking out the seats are fairly easy. You just unscrewing this bolt right here. See that bolt? You unscrew that bolt, and that bolt is also on the same side. You unscrew them bolts, and once you get them bolts unscrewed, the seat come up, and you just take the cord source out of it. So that right there is fairly easy to do, man. Let's get to it. Go to Walmart, see if they got a T50 screw. And yeah. So Walmart don't even got a T50, they got a T45. Let's go to Harbor Freight. So Harbor Freight had the T50, it was like $10. So man, let's go ahead and take these seats out. I kind of did have to get a bigger ratchet thing, but I got it on there and I got the T50 on, so let's go ahead and get this seat out. Oh, this thing right here is gonna take some strength, bro. Boy, these probably had to be one of the hardest bolts I done messed around with. God. For these screws out, it's time to take out the seat. This clip right here, you want to pull that with a flat head. Then it's gonna disconnect all this. We're gonna use this as a flat head to unpop it. Pull it off this. My fault that my car is this dirty, so I'm also clean that out while these seats are out. Get all this stuff from under there. No, that is seat 1 gone. The back seats, I took them out before, but I'm not gonna take out the back seats to put these things in because I'm just putting them on with the back seats in, to be honest. But yeah. Alright, y'all, so everything just pulled up, man. So we'll go to back seats. We're gonna install the back seats first. But y'all keep in mind, man. Remember, I'm not gonna remove the back seats to install the back seats, only the front seats, because I feel the front seats need more detail on the installation than the back seats. Pretty self-explanatory for the back. You just pushing the stuff through.
Bro, that shit ain't going in though.
I'm gonna have to take these seats out, man.
I got mine in. I don't know about you over there.
That's not the end. Man, we're gonna see when we pull this. They're probably gonna get a little tighter. I got no seatbelt. Is this the wrong way? Bro, pulling yours through the other side? Oh, you pulled it off. You beat me with my eyes. Hold on. Yeah, we definitely knew to do it right, bro. Definitely would have been easier if we just took out the seats. Or this probably might go in first. I think that's what it is. Come on. Scared of it or something? Wait, Nick.
Bruh, this is wrong fucking seat. I know. Take this shit out. That's this dumb. Fucking dumbass.
Bro, I knew something was off, fam. Alright, now let's see if we get some better results. Let's see. That's supposed to count for something too. You gotta. I think that's supposed. What the other? It's supposed to be
Don't talk about me. Your shit coming out.
What's
Get my
the
shit.
How you do? How your stuff ain't come out? Alright, so we got the back seats in. It honestly looked tacky. But like I said, I don't really care for it, so that's why it look tacky. So now what we finna do is do the one that I really care for. Alright, y'all, so you good? Alright, y'all, so it's two buttons. You push this inside button right here, and this button you push them at the same time, then you push up. Alright, y'all, so we just put it, basically go over, kind of self-explanatory.
See, bro. Put it on like a condom.
Something that you didn't do is put this through, though, you know. Maybe that would have been smarter for the seatbelt. This is the wrong one.
She calm, like put on like a condom. She just slide that bad boy on. That like. But can y'all help? But.
You scrape?
What are you doing, bro? What are you doing, bro? Let me get a bully.
What you streaming for?
$100 bully. Dad.
We got the backyard mechanic shop.
Yeah, y'all see, so let me show y'all, man. Y'all gotta put it. It got straps that you gotta, you know, strap right there.
Right here.
So it's hold in place. Wait, he didn't do something right first though.
Say that one more time, Nicholas.
You put the straps on too early, bro. You gotta pull the things through first. Take the straps off, bro.
I can't let
You gotta pull this thing through first.
Hey guys, in the comments, can y'all please tell this default don't clickbait y'all and tell me some actual red guts. This nigga see
red.
Please don't let him clickbait y'all. Putting red guts in my Camaro.
I'm telling everybody they red good.
Don't worry about it. I will be ready to drop that Pretty Boy Fredo Exposed video. Exotic Trail in part 2.
Put it through, Nick.
Come on, Nick, do your damn job. Come on now.
Gotta pull the other side too.
That's what that shit.
Can I get it, Nick?
Never scared you, nigga.
Wait, so they're struggling.
See, y'all boys, you gotta get that meat, you gotta pull in that condom. Make sure you're real tight and snug. See, you didn't know. Do the same thing for the other side. You just gotta pull.
Hey, bro, this is sponsorship, bro.
Pull that. You gotta pull that meat in that condom.
This is a sponsorship, bro. I'm trying to think.
Make sure it's real tight.
Bro,
Make sure like it.
This is a sponsorship, bro.
They could have gave you another seat cover, like headset cover too, like.
Oh, they did.
Oh, they. My bad. My fault, bit, bro. I wasn't familiar with your game. How long you been doing this?
Radio, we just really started on the seat, bro. We was doing radio.
So
Hey, Trey, go and give me something to probably beat up. I don't feel like holding them up.
Yeah. Alright, y'all. So we got one seat in, man. We just basically running the scraps connected behind each other. That's all it is, man. I'm finna go ahead and knock out the other seat.
Oh, you feel comfortable. I like you.
Bro, why your back look like that, fool?
Oh, God.
You sound like a skeleton.
That's so anorexic.
what about that for?
Grab that nigga's spine.
Bro, put that straight down.
Please put that bitch down, nigga. You ain't got no muscle back there, bitch. You hit me. Hurt it.
It really looks so good on camera. So we got them back in. I mean, we got the seat covers on there, man. They honestly look pretty real. So we're finna put them in the inside. And I know they're gonna hit in the inside for real. Oh boy.
Bro, you ain't gonna fucking help.
I did it by myself. I took it out by myself.
Damn it.
Let me cord it. Hold on. Let me put the cord in.
Your damn seat, I put the whole damn seat up for you.
Man, I did it by myself.
Ain't pathetic. Yeah, mosquitoes are no damn joke.
Oh my lord, this shit definitely tearing my ass up.
Alright.
Hey, I can't. So YouTube, man, we got everything installed. Got the red goods in there with the starlights. Got the radio over there. Hold on. See, man, got the radio right here. Got the radio, man. Oh, I'm so sorry that my camera would not focus on that radio. My fault on that, but yeah, man, big transformation.